The F100 stuff, what brought you into it?
Well, because I like Fords.
My man.
Yeah.
So right next to us is a frame. Is this an F100 frame?
This is an F1 frame. Basically, we can do then the early F100s, the 53, 56 will look real close to this. Wheelbase is 4 inches shorter, but we can do the long wheelbase or the short wheelbase, either one. With this, it's a modular design on this new chassis. So we can just change a couple tubes and everything and make it fit different years.
Oh, that's cool. What is this thing in the center we're looking at here?
This is an X brace, so it stiffens up the chassis and it helps handling and drivability when you get it on the street.
There you go. I love that you guys put your AJE suspension there. I love that.
Yeah.
Now back here, I mentioned over there triangulated 4-link. That's what this is, right? Or am I wrong?
Yeah, we're using a triangulated 4-link, which was introduced on the Fox Body Mustangs. And over the years, through drag racing and everything, it's been perfected. And so we're just taking that and using it on the old trucks. We're actually got a new product coming out for the 05 to 14 Mustang, which will have a triangulated 4-link, but you can upgrade the 3 links out of those and help them to do a little bit better on the drag strip, and we think even handling purposes.
So why did you get into the F100 stuff? What kind of brought you into it?
Well, because I like Fords.
My man.
Yeah. My pastor actually has a 55 that's been in his family since it was new. And he come to me and asked me if we could do something for that truck, and I told him yes, and I was hoping I wouldn't lie to my pastor.
Is it this truck over here?
Yeah, he won't let me drive it, but yeah, it does handle good.
Well, hey, thank you so much. I want to talk more about this, but I want to do it. Can I hit you up in September and we'll talk more about your parts then?
Oh yeah, that'd be great.
I'm going to be getting more information on your guys' parts. Where can people reach you?
You can either call us at 1-800-877-7233, or you can go to our website, AJEsuspension.com.
Do you guys have an Instagram?
Yes, we do.
Just AJE suspension across the board.
Right.
That's cool. Well, hey, man, thank you so much for your time. I love what you have going on here. And I'm going to let you, looks like you're closing up shop here, man.
Yeah, the show's just about over.
What'd you think of the Grand Nats?
It was great. It was awesome.
How many years have you been here?
I've been coming here since they started. I think this is their 5th year. And but we've been in business 32 years.
That's awesome. Okay, so not only is there heritage in the trucks that you build sometimes, the R&D that you've done, but you've been doing this for a long time, and so you guys know what you're talking about when it comes to building this stuff. I love seeing another company make F100 parts, man. I just want to say thank you for giving the F100 community or the F1 community more truck parts for us to slap onto our trucks, man. Thank you so much.
Well, thank you.
All right.